Hello students, welcome to the 9th video class of trigonometrical ratio. Today we will discuss trigonometrical ratio of some more angle. So before starting, first we start Brahmanath. शांति शांति शांति. सुस्तो. Today we will discuss trigonometrical ratio of some more angle and what are the product, sum, difference formula, okay, and some problems. Last class we are already discussed what are the multiple and some multiple angle and the problems related to multiple and some multiple angle. You know the some multiple angle formula, that is sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into cos 2 cos a, and cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, tan 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. And how to express sin 2a cos 2a in terms of tan a, that is the sin 2a equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a, and cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, then cot 2a equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin qa, cos 3a equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a, tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan qa by 1 minus 3 tan square a, cot 3a equal to cot qa minus 3 cot a by 3 cot square a minus 1. Okay, and the semi angle formula, that is a half some multiple angle formula, sin theta is equal to, in terms of theta by 2, this is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, or 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, or 2 cos square theta by 2. That is cos square theta by 2 equal to 1 plus cos theta by 2, and sin square theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2. Alternatively, 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, and tan theta by 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, cot theta by 2 equal to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Using this formula, we derive sin 22 half degree, cos 22 half degree, tan 7 half degree, cot 7 half degree, tan 37 half degree, cos pi by 16, and sin pi by 32. Okay, so using some multiple angle formula, we find this trigonometrical ratio. Okay, but today we will discuss some other trigonometrical ratio of more angle. So what are the, find the value of, find the value of sin 18 degree. Okay, number 1, number 2, cos 18 degree, sin 36 degree, cos 36 degree, sin 72 degree, cos 108 degree, cos 72 degree. Okay, so how to find this trigonometrical ratio? If we find sin 18 degree, then it will be easy to calculate cos 18 degree, sin 36 degree, cos 36 degree, sin 72 degree, etc. Okay, so first we find sin 18 degree. Okay, then other will be easy to calculate. Okay, by using sin 18 degree. Answer. So how to find sin 18 degree? First you have to take this 18 degree is equal to theta. Okay, so in order to find sin 18 degree, first we substitute theta is equal to 18 degree. Let theta is equal to 18 degree, that implies now multiply 5 on both sides, because 5 into 18 is equal to 90 degree, that implies 5 theta is equal to 5 into 18 is equal to 19 degree, that implies 5 theta means this is equal to 3 theta plus 2 theta equal to 90 degree, and that implies 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. Taking on both sides sine, that implies sine 2 theta equal to sine of 90 degree minus 3 theta. Okay, so you know sine 2 theta is equal to multiple angle formula. This is 2 sine theta into cos theta, and sine 90 minus 3 theta is equal to, this is a cos 3 theta. Okay, so cos 3 theta is equal to, you know also, this is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Take it common, cos theta. Okay, so this is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. That implies 2 sin theta into cos theta equal to cos theta into 4 cos square theta minus 3. Then cos theta both are cancelled to each other. That implies 2 sin theta is equal to, the remaining part write this one, 2 sin theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Okay, taking to right side all these term, that implies 4 cos square theta minus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 is equal to 0. So make it in a trigonometrical equation. That implies here sin theta is there, here cos square theta equal to there. So here we write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. That implies 4 into 1 minus sin square theta. This is the minus 2 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies minus 4 sin square theta. Okay, so minus 2 sin theta plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Taking minus common, that implies minus of 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0, and it is also 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So which is a quadratic equation in sin theta? First we put sin theta, sin theta is equal to x, because this is a quadratic equation, and you know how to solve the quadratic equation by factorization or by using formula. Okay, x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is equal to, here sin theta is equal to x means that implies 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to, here a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 1. You know x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So the value of x in the quadratic equation, that implies x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of here b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. So this is equal to minus b. Here b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2. Okay. So plus or minus root over b square means 4 minus 4, a means 4, c means minus 1 by 2a. So 2 into a means 4. So this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus a 4 is 16, 16 minus 1. Okay, minus 16, ये minus plus, so plus 16 plus 4, this is the 20 by 8. So this is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, this is the 2 root 5 by 8. Okay, so this is equal to, let it be common 2, so 2 da common this is the minus 1 plus or minus root 5 by 8, 2 ये 4 cancel. So this is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 by 4, and the other value is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. So this is the x. So x is equal to minus 1 minus root by 4, and other value is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. So what is x? Here x is equal to means sin theta. Here theta is equal to 18 degree. That means sin 18 degree. So sin 18 degree, you know x is equal to theta, but theta is equal to 18 degree. Okay, so sin 18 degree is equal to minus 1 minus root 5 by 4, or sin 18 degree is equal to minus 1 minus and there are two value. Sin 18 degree is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 4. Since 18 degree lies in first quadrant, in first quadrant all trigonometrical ratio are positive, so minus 1 minus root 5 by 4, this is a negative value. Okay, and 18 degree lies in first quadrant, so sin 18 degree never be negative. That means this value is impossible. This value is impossible. Why it is impossible? Because its value is negative, but sin 18 degree never be negative. But minus 1 plus root 5 means 2 point something. 2 point something minus 1, it will be 1 point something. Okay, so this one is a positive quantity. So 18 degree, sin 18 degree is naturally positive value. That means sin 18 degree must be minus 1 plus root 5 by 4, and this is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So sin 18 degree, therefore, okay, so sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is the answer. Okay. Next we have to calculate cos 18 degree. So cos 18 degree is equal to, you know, cos theta is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus sin square theta. But 18 degree lies in first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometrical ratio are positive according to ASTC rule. So cos 18 degree is equal to root over, taking positive sign only, 1 minus sin square 18 degree. So this is equal to root over 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square, and this is equal to express, now make it simplify, that implies root 5 minus 1 by 4 square. So this is equal to root over 1 minus, okay, so this is equal to 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 whole by 16. So this is equal to root over 16, taking LCM 16. So 16 here minus 6 plus 2 root 5. So 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. So this is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by root 16. Taking root 16, okay. So outside in bracket, outside in square root. So this is equal to 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So this is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay, so this is equal to cos 18 degree. So cos 18 degree is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 and sine 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so these two value to remember this one. Okay, next to calculate sine 36 degree and cos 36 degree. First we calculate cos 36 degree, then we have to calculate sine 36 degree. Okay, so this is equal to, how to calculate cos 36 degree. You know cos 36 degree is equal to cos 2 into 18 degree. Okay, so cos 36 degree equal to cos 2 into 18 degree. 2 into 18 degree. So this is equal to cos 2a. So cos 2a means this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. 2 sin square a. So this is 1 minus 2 into sin 18 degree whole square. You know sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4 square. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 square. So this is equal to 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 4 square is equal to 16. So this is equal to, take it LCM. So 16, we have 16 minus 5 plus 1 6. 6 into 2 12 plus 2 to the 4 root 5. 2 to the 4 root 5. So this is equal to 12 minus 16 minus 12 is equal to 4 plus 4 root 5 by 16. So this is equal to 16. So 4 LCM, take it 4 common. So 1 plus root 5 by 16. So 4 is 16. So this is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. That means cos 36 degree. So cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, and cos 18 degree is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4, and sin 18 degree is equal to root over root 5 minus 1 by 4. Next we calculate sin 36 degree. Okay, so sin 36 degree is equal to sin 36 degree is equal to sin 36 degree is equal to, we write this is root over 1 minus cos square 36 degree. Okay, so sin 36 is equal to root over 1 minus cos square 36 degree. So this is equal to 1 minus, what is cos 36? Now this is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is equal to root over here 1 minus, so this is 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So this is equal to, taking LCM 16, here 16 minus 5 plus 1 6 minus 2 root 5. So 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. So this is equal to 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16. Okay, and taking square root, so this is the 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay, so this is equal to sin 36 degree is equal to root over 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, and cos 18 degree is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Then sin 18 degree is equal to root over 5 root 5 minus 1 by 4, and cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So these are all are the angle, okay, values. Next we calculate the sin 72 degree. So sin 72 degree means here you write 72 equal to 90 minus 18 degree. 90 minus 18 degree. So this is equal to, so sin 72 degree is equal to, you can write sin 90 minus 18, and sin 19 minus 18 is equal to cos 18 degree, and cos 18 degree is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root by 5, root over 10 plus 2 root by 4. Okay, then 6 number, then this one is 5th number, and the 6th number is cos 108. So cos 108 means you have to write cos, okay, 90 degree plus 18 degree, 19 degree plus 18 degree. So cos 90 plus theta is equal to what? So cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin 18 degree, and this is equal to minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to minus of root 5 minus 1 by 4. Then cos 72. So cos 72 is equal to sin 18 degree. Okay, cos 72. So cos 72 degree is equal to cos of 90 minus 18. So cos of 90 minus 80 is equal to what? Sin 18 degree. But sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So these are the trigonometrical values, okay, of other angle. So next we calculate what are the product and difference formula, sum, product and difference formula. Okay. So one question, find the value of sin 36 degree into sin 72 degree into sin 108 degree, okay, into sin 144 degree. So first we express the larger angle into smaller angle, that is 72 means you have to write 90 minus 18, 108 is equal to 90 plus 18 and 144 is equal to 180 minus 36. Okay, answer. So sin 36 degree into sin 72 degree into sin 108 degree into sin 144 degree. Okay, so this is equal to sin 36 degree. You know the value of sin 36 degree. These are root of 10 minus 2 root 5. 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. And sin 72. So sin 72 means you have to write 19 minus 18 degree. Sin 108 means 90 plus 18. And sin 144 means sin of what? 180 degree minus 36 degree. Okay. So you remember all four things, that is the sin 18 degree. So sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, and cos 18 degree equal to root of 10 plus 2 root by 4. Then sin 36 degree equal to root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4, and cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So you remember these four things. Okay. Then 72 or 108, 144 to express 90 minus 18 or 180 minus 36. Okay. So this is equal to sin 36 degree. Sin 90 minus 18. Sin 90 minus 18 is equal to, this is the cos 18 degree. Sin 90 plus 18 is equal to, this is also cos 18 degree. Okay. So this is 90 plus 18 means lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is positive, sin is positive. So sin 19 plus 18 is equal to cos 18 degree, and sin 180 minus 36 is equal to sin 36 degree. This is equal to sin 36 degree. Okay. So sin 36 into sin 36. This is the sin 36 degree whole square into cos 18 degree. So cos 18 degree whole square. So this is, you know, sin 36 degree equal to root of sin 36. Okay. So sin 36 equal to what? This is equal to 10 minus 2 root by 4 square and cos 18 degree. So cos 18 degree is equal to, cos 18 is equal to root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 square. So sin 36 equal to root over 10 minus 2 root by 4 square, and cos 18 is equal to root over 10 plus 2 root by 4 square. So square root cancel है ना कि अच्छा इटा by 4 square अच्छी ना इटा से 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16 होगा या सिवा 10 plus का total root इटा ऐती के पूरा ऊपर root अच्छी. So this is equal to या सिवा कहता है 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16 4 square 16. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 16 into 1 by 16 a minus b into a plus b. Okay, this is 100 square minus 2 square. Okay, 4 into 5. 4 into 5. So 4 into 5 means 20 by 16. 16 into 16. So this is equal to 80. 80 by 16 into 16. So 16 5. So this answer is 5 by 16. Okay. So the answer is 5 by 16. Okay. Next we go to another relation. Product, sum and difference formula. So what are the sum, product and difference formula? This is a very important formula. Okay. So first is CD formula. Now number 1, sin C plus sin D. So C and D, these are the angle. So sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So what are the C and D? These are the angle. Number 2, sin C minus sin D. So here minus is there. So first we write cos, then sin. So this is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Okay. तो फास्ट जदि प्लस अच्छी माने फास्ट साइन रहिबो तापरे cos रहिबो फास्ट जदि माइनस अच्छी माने फास्ट cos रहिबो तापरे साइन रहिबो देन cos C plus cos D. So this is equal to 2 cos D daga cos रहिबो एडी both are cos. तो 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This is the cos C plus cos D. And number 4 is cos C minus cos D is equal to, here both are sine. So here minus is there, means both are sine come. Okay, so this is the 2 sine. Okay, so this is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine D minus C by 2. So cos C minus cos D, this is the formula. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2 or minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, because if we taking minus, okay, here in that angle if we take a minus as common, so this is equal to sin of minus of C minus D by 2, but you know sin of minus C, sin of minus of C minus D by 2 is equal to minus sin C minus D by 2, because sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay. So cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2, or you can write also minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Okay. So how to remember easily? The sin C plus sin D means one is the sin and other is the cos. The first one is the sin and the second one is the cos. So 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. If your minus is there, sin C minus sin D means first you have to write cos. That is the 2 cos C plus D by 2 and sin C minus D by 2. If both are cos and your plus is there, this one is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. If both are cos and minus is there, then 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2, or minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So how to prove this one? So proof of 1. Proof of 1. So clearly C and D, these are the both are angle. So let C is equal to A plus B and D is equal to A minus B. Suppose we take this is the angle. So what are the C plus D? So C plus D is equal to, here plus B minus B cancel. This is equal to 2A and C minus D is equal to, okay, so A plus B, here minus of A plus B. So this is equal to 2B. That means C plus D is equal to 2A and C minus D is equal to 2B. So we take LHS side. So LHS sin C plus sin D. So this is equal to sin C. What is the C? So C is equal to A plus B. C is equal to A plus B plus sin D. D means A minus B. A minus B. You know sin A plus B formula and sin A minus B. So this is equal to sin A plus B. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Minus cos A into sin B. तो plus cos A sin B minus cos A sin B both are cancelled. So sin A cos B here plus sin A cos B. This is the 2 sin A into cos B. 2 sin A into cos B. So sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin what is A? So A is equal to here C plus D is equal to A. So what is A? So A is equal to C plus D by 2. So this is the C plus D by 2 into cos B means this is a C minus D by 2. That's why the sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Number 1. Number 2, the proof of 2. Sin C minus sin D. So sin C minus sin D. So this is equal to sin C. So C means here A plus B. Okay. And minus sin D means this is equal to A minus B. So sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equal to 2 cos A sin B. तो एटा केता आसलो sin A plus B minus sin A minus B जदि आमे पकेबा सो एटी जदि आमे माइनस टा पकेबा मींस sin A plus B sin of A minus B पकले एटा माइनस हबो एटा प्लस हबो ना कि तो sin A cos B minus sin A cos B कैंसिल हबो cos A sin B here plus cos A sin B. This is the 2 cos A sin B. So this one is 2 cos A into sin B haba. So 2 cos A sin B means this is the 2 cos A means this is the C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So this is equal to, okay. So sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Similarly, you can prove this is cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 and cos C minus cos D is equal to this one. Okay. So this is also known as a CD formula. Next another formula, we go to another formula, that is the product formula. So this is the reverse formula of sin C plus sin D. CD formula reverse. Next we go to product formula, that is 2 sin A cos B. So 2 sin A, next formula 2 sin A into cos B is equal to, you get 2 sin A into cos B means this is the sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So remember this one, 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay. So these are angles of the same thing. If both angles are same, then 2 sin A into cos A means you have to write sin 2A, but a different angle is there. So different angle is there, then we replace this formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Next, 2 cos A sin B. So 2 cos A sin B means sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, so the agar cos hochi means it kon padiyo minus padiyo sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 sin A cos B means sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Next, 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B means cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. If we take the RHS side, we will get this is the LHS, that is the 2 cos A into sin B. Next, 2 sin A sin B. So 2 sin A sin B means this is the formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. तो 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Okay. Next sin a plus b into sin a minus b. तो sin a plus b into sin a minus b, this is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Or you can write also cos square b minus sin square a. Okay. Next, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b. Cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus sin square a, or cos square b minus sin square a. Okay. Cos square a minus sin square b, or you can write also cos square b minus sin square a also. Okay. So these are the product sum difference formula. Then another formula is there. So this is equal to sin a, the last formula, sin a into sin 60 minus a. Sin a into sin 60 minus a into sin 60 degree plus a. तो sin a into sin 60 minus a into sin plus 60 plus a equal to, we write this is equal to sin a into, here use the formula sin a minus b into sin a plus b. So this is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. So here a is equal to 60 degree and b is equal to a. So this is equal to sin square 60 degree minus sin square a. Okay. तो एटा को फॉर्मूला स्टाइल अच्छे पिले देखो sin 60 माइनस a into sin 60 plus a माने तो मेरी पकाओ sin square a minus sin square b. So this is equal to sin a into, you know, sin square 60 degree, sin 60 is equal what? Root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 row square means this is the root 3 by 2 row square minus sin square a. Okay. So this is equal to sin a into the 3 by 4 minus sin square a. So this is equal to multiply this sign. So this is equal to taking LCM 4 and 3 sin a minus this is equal to 4 sin QA. So 3 sin a minus 4 sin QA, you know this is a sin 3a. So this is equal to sin 3a by 4, sin 3a by 4. Therefore sin a into sin 60 degree minus a into sin 60 degree plus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. So sin a into sin 60 degree minus a into sin 60 degree plus a, sin 60 degree plus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a, 1 by 4 sin 3a. Okay. This is important formula also. So sin a into sin 60 degree minus a into sin 60 degree plus a is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3a. This is 1 by 4 sin 3a. Okay. Next we go to another formula, that is the cos a into cos 60 minus a into cos 60 plus a. We will get the another formula. This is also 1 by 4 into cos 3a. 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Now cos a into cos 60 degree minus a into cos 60 degree plus a. Okay, use this formula cos a minus b into cos a plus b. So you know cos a plus b into cos a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b. So this is equal to cos a into cos square a means 60 degree, b means a, cos square a minus sin square b, but b is equal to here a. So this is equal to cos a into cos 60. You know cos 60 is equal to what? 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 square minus sin square a So this is equal to cos A into 1 by 4 minus sin square A. Okay, but the sin square A is equal to what? 1 minus cos square A. So this is equal to cos A into 1 by 4 minus 1 minus cos square A. So this is equal to cos A into 1 by 4, okay, minus 1 plus cos square A. So take it LCM, this is equal to cos A, LCM nyo 4, okay. So this is equal to 1 minus 4 plus 4 cos square A. So this is equal to cos A into 4 cos square A minus 3 by 4, and this is equal to 4 cos q A minus 3 cos A by 4. So you know 4 cos q A minus 3 cos A by 4 is equal to cos 3A, and this is equal to cos 3A. So 1 by 4 into cos 3A, 1 by 4 into cos 3A, okay. Therefore cos A into cos 60 degree minus A into cos 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A, okay. Similarly, tan A into tan 60 degree minus A, so this is equal to tan A into tan 60 degree minus A into tan 60 degree plus A is equal to tan A into tan 60 degree minus A into tan 60 degree plus A. Tan 60 degree plus A. Here first we express tan into sin cos, that is the sin A into sin 60 minus A, here sin A by cos A, sin 60 degree minus A by cos 60 degree minus A, and this is equal to sin 60 degree plus A by cos 60 degree plus A. So in numerator sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A, and in denominator this is also another formula, cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. So 1 by 4 cancel, so this is equal to tan 3A. So tan A into tan 60 minus A into tan 60 plus A is equal to tan 3A, and cos A into cos 60 degree minus A into cos 60 plus A equal to 1 by 4 cos 3A. Then sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A equal to 1 by 4 sin 3A. So these are all are the important formula. One is the CD formula, okay. Then the product 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 sin A sin B, 2 cos A cos B, and sin A plus B into sin A minus B, cos A plus B into cos A minus B, then sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A, cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 plus A. These are all are very very important formula, okay. So remember all things. So using this formula we will do some problems. So prove that sin 10 degree into sin 30 degree into sin 50 degree into sin 70 degree equal to 1 by 16, and cos 20, cos 30, cos 40 into cos 80 equal to root 3 by 16. Then tan 6, tan 42, tan 66 into tan 78 degree is equal to 1. So how to prove this one? Dekho, this is equal to here sin 10 degree, sin 30 degree. You know already the formula value of sin 30 degree. So sin 30 degree means this is equal to 1 by 2. Here 50 means you have to express 60 degree minus 10, and 70 means you have to express 60 plus 10, and this is of the form sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 degree plus A. जेहेतु एडा तुम sin A into sin 60 minus A स्टाइल अच्छी, तो से अनुसार तुम ताकू एक्सप्रेस करियो, ओके. सो प्रूफ ऑफ 1, आंसर 1, sin 10 degree into sin 30 degree, you have to take LHS part, into sin 50 degree into sin 70 degree. So this is equal to sin 30 degree, sin 10 into sin 50 degree into sin 70 degree you can write in this way. You know sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and this is equal to sin 10 degree. Here 50 means sin this is equal to 60 degree minus 10 degree and 70 means this is equal to 60 degree plus 10 degree. Okay. So 1 by 2 into this is of the form 1 by 4 sin 3a. 1 by 4 sin 3a is the formula. So 1 by 8 into sin 3 into a. A means 10 degree. So this is equal to 1 by 8 into sin 30 degree. So sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by 60. Okay. Next one is cos 40 number 2. Number 2. So this is equal to, we take the LHS part. So cos 20 into cos 30 into cos 40 degree into cos 80 degree. So this is equal to, you can write it in this way. This is equal to cos 30 because you know the value of cos 30 equal to 3 by 2 and then you write cos 20, then you write cos 40, then you write cos 80. Cos 80. So this is equal to cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 and this is equal to cos 20 cos 40. 40 means you have to express 60 minus 20, 60 degree minus 20 degree and this is equal to 60 degree plus 20 degree. Okay, so this is equal to root 3 by 2 cos a into cos 60 minus a into cos 60 degree plus a. This is the formula of 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Cos 3a, or here a is equal to 20. So this is equal to root 3 by 8 into cos 3 into a means 20 degree. So this is equal to cos 60. So root 3 by 8 into cos 60. But you know cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So this is root 3 by 8 into 1 by 2. So this is equal to root 3 by 16. So answer is root 3 by 16. Then how to express the third one? But yet third number is 10, 6, 10, 42, 10, 66 into 10, 78. This is also, we have the formula in terms of 10, 10a into 10, 60 minus a into 10, 60 plus a. So, proof of 3 number LHS take 10, 6, 10, 6, then you have to write 10, 66. Because 1066 means you have to write 1060 plus 6, then 1042, then 42 into 1078. Okay. So 78 means you have to write 10 60 60 plus 18 and this is equal to 60 minus 18. Okay. So this is equal to 10 6 here 10 60 plus 6 okay, 1042 means you have to write 1060 minus 18 and 1078 means you have to write 1078 means 60 plus 18. But why we require 10 into 1060 plus 6, but 1060 minus 6 is not there. Means here we multiplied and divide 1060 minus 6. Because in order to formula, so 1060 minus 6 is required. So this term is multiplied and divided. So here what we do, 106 into 1060 plus 6 into 1060 minus 6. Because this term is required, need. So we multiply and divide 1060 minus 6. Okay. Then here also 1060 minus a, 1060 plus a, but 10 is not, a means 18. So here also we multiplied and divide 10 18 degree. 10 18 degree multiplied and divide in that expression. Okay. So this is equal to 10 18 degree. Then 1060 minus 18 degree into 1060 plus 18 degree by tan 18 डिग्री तेणु जो टर्मटा नाही जो टर्मटा आमको दरकार अच्छी से टर्मटा आम कौन करिया मल्टीप्लाइड करदेबा आउ डिवाइड करिया ओके बिकॉज वी रिक्वायर्ड दिस टर्म so not means you have to multiply and divide in order to get a formula so this is equal to 10a into tan 60 minus a into tan 60 plus a this is tan 3a so tan 3a a means 6 tan 3a by tan 54 okay into here also tan a into tan 60 minus a into tan 60 plus a tan 3a so this is equal to tan 3a 3a means 18 degree by tan 18 degree okay so tan 3 into 6 tan 18 degree tan 18 degree cancel so tan 18 into 3 44 sorry 54 tan 54 and tan 54 so both are cancelled this answer is 1 so this one is 1 so in this way if the trigonometrical expression is of the form then here we express or we use the formula tan a into tan 60 minus a into tan 60 plus a. So find the value of number 1 sin square 24 minus sin square 6 number 2 cos square 48 minus sin square 12 and third one is sin square 72 minus sin square 6 and fourth one is sin pi by 10 into sin 13 pi by 10 radian. Fifth one is also similarly okay so how to find the answer 1 answer 1 so sin square 24 degree minus sin square 6 degree okay so sin square 24 degree minus sin square 6 degree you know sin square 24 degree we cannot determine sin square 24 degree okay because we do not know sin square 24 degree and sin 6 degree. So here we use the formula sin square a minus sin square b. So sin square a minus sin square b means sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So this is equal to sin a plus b 24 plus 6 degree into sin a minus b. So 24 minus 6 degree. So this is equal to sin 30 degree into sin 18 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 and sin 18 degree equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this is root 5 minus 1 by 8. Okay. And the second one is cos square 48. Cos square 48 minus sin square 12 degree. This is also you can apply the formula cos square a minus sin square b. So this is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So cos 48 plus 12 into cos 48 minus 12 degree. So this is equal to cos 60 degree into cos 36 degree. Okay. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 and this is root 5 plus 1 by 8. Root 5 plus 1 by 8. And the third one is sin square 72 degree minus sin square 6 degree. 8 कौन करियो if we apply the formula sin square a minus sin square b sin a plus b into sin a minus b but a plus b means what sin 78 degree 78 we do not know sin 78 okay so in such case we do not use this formula sin a plus b into sin a minus b that means direct substitute this value sin 72. So sin 72 means you have to write 19 minus 18 degree. देखो ये sin square a minus sin square b फॉर्मूला पकेले जे तो इडा 78 यूज 78 रो वैल्यू हमें जानिने सेति पय हमें कोन करिया 72 रो वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन करिया. So in such case we calculate sin 72 that is sin 90 minus 18 and minus sin square okay. And this is equal to sin 6 degree. So sin 6 degree is equal to sin. So in that question not 6 degree, this is equal to 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. Here sin square 72 minus sin square 60 degree, not 6. Okay. So sin square 72 means sin 90 minus 18 degree and this is equal to sin square 60 degree. तो sin 90 minus 18 is equal to what? Cos square 18 degree. Cos square 18 degree minus sin square 60 degree. And cos 18 is equal to what? Root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 root square, and this is also whole square, and this is equal to 10 plus 2 root 5 by 16 minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Okay. So we taking LCM. This is equal to a side के चाहे आसियो तमरो 10 टा जदी कॉमन नहीं जीवा 2 रे 8 आसियो ना कि और this is equal to 10 by 16. So LCM is okay 64 ना कि so LCM is equal to 16 ये आसियो 10 plus 2 root 5 minus 4 3 12. So this is equal to 2 root 5 minus 2 by 16. So this is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 8. So answer is root 5 minus 1 by 8. Okay. Next you have to calculate the sin pi by 10 into sin 30. So 90 minus 36. Okay. So this is equal to 90 degree minus 36 degree. So this is equal to minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 into cos 36 degree. So this is equal to minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 into cos 36 means root over 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Okay. So this is equal to cos 36 means this is the root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 36 equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, and this is equal to minus of a minus b into a plus b. This is the a square minus b square. So 5 minus 1 by 4 into 4 16. So this is equal to minus 1 by 4. So 5 minus 1 4 by 16 equal 1 by 4. So this is a minus 1 by 4. Okay. And 51 is this is sin pi by 10 plus sin 13 pi by 10. So sin pi by 10 is equal to minus of root 5 minus 1 by 4 plus sin 13 pi by 10. So this is equal to here 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sin 13 pi by 10 means this is the minus sin 4 degree. So minus sin 54 degree. So 54 means this is equal to cos 36 degree. Sin 54 is equal to sin 54. Okay. So this is the minus sin 13 pi by 10 is equal to minus sin 3 pi by 10. And minus sin 3 pi by 10 is equal to sin 3 pi by 10 is equal to sin 54. Sin 54 equal to cos 36. So cos 36 means this is the root 5 plus 1 by 4. So this is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Here minus root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay. And this is equal to root 5 minus 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by. Okay. So LCM is 4. So this is equal to, okay, so this one is equal to plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel, so minus 2 by 4. So this is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the answer, minus 1 by 2. So using all the concept, these are all are the formula concept of the compound angle. So using this property and this formula, you can do the study material problem. Okay, so in the next class we will do some other problem and another concept, the maximum and minimum value, how to find the maximum and minimum value of a sin x plus b cos x. Thank you. Okay.